असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 12.2 problem number 9. Let us see the question. This is the given question here. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meter, find the speed of the jet plane. So the jet plane flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, okay, with some speed. The angle of elevations are given 60 degrees and it changes to 30 degrees later after some time, that is given 15 seconds. So we have to find here speed of the jet plane. Okay, let's draw a diagram first. So this is the ground. This is the ground. So consider the jet plane here. Okay, so this is the height of the jet plane. Okay, from ground to jet plane, the height of jet plane is given 1500 root 3 meters. Okay, so this is a point A. From this point, the angle of elevation is given 60 degrees first. Okay, given 60 degrees. Right. So after 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So generally the plane is flying here. So after 15 seconds later, it will be here, isn't it? Right. So after 15 seconds, the jet plane is here. Okay. So it is traveled from here to here. So this is also same height, 1500 root 3 meters, because jet plane is flying with a constant height. Okay, right. So let us consider A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so he is observing again here from point A, the angle of elevation is given. It is 30 degrees. Yeah, it is given 30 degrees because the angle of elevation changes to 60 to 30. Is it clear? Yeah, right. Little bit cross it is. Assume it is a straight line. Okay, right. So what we have to find? We have to find the speed of the jet plane here. So what is the speed formula we have? Speed is equals to distance by time. So what is the distance here? Distance traveled by the jet plane. Okay, so the jet plane traveled from here to here. Okay, so to find speed we have to find first of all this distance. Let us consider the distance is x. It didn't give the distance here, so we have to find a distance first from point B to C or E to D. Both are same. Okay, right. And given the time is 15 seconds. Okay, we have time already, so we need just distance here to find the speed of the jet plane. Let us see the problem. First of all, write down what are the given things. So given the height of the jet plane 1500 root 3 meters. Okay, the angle of elevations given 60 degrees comma 30 degrees. Is it clear? Right. So distance traveled by jet plane is equals to x. Okay, right. So if you observe the figure here, ABE is a triangle. ABE is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle here. So if you take tan ratio, I am going to take here tan ratio. We have this opposite side. Okay, right. Instead of tan we can take cot also. Tan 60 degrees is equals to, what is it? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? That is BE by adjacent side, that is AE. Okay, BE given 1500 root 3 meters by AE as it is. Okay, so I am erasing this. Right. So tan 60 is equals to 1500 root 3 meters by AE. Tan 60 value we have already, that is root 3, that is equals to 1500 root 3 meters by AE. Okay, right. Take the cross multiplication. AE is equals to 1500 root 3 meters by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. So AE is equals to 1500 meters. Okay, this we got 1500 meters here. Right. Next, take the tan 30. So in triangle ACD, I am taking tan 30 ratio. In the previous we have taken ABE triangle. Okay, right. Tan 30. So same opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side in here in triangle ACD? That is CD by AD. From the figure AD we can write AE plus ED. AE plus ED, isn't it? So AE value we got just now 1500 plus ED value x, isn't it? 1500 meters plus x. Okay, so in place of AD we can write now 1500 meters plus x. Okay, right. Let us apply the values. So tan 30 degrees is equals to CD value, that is nothing but 1500 root 3 by AD value 1500 meters plus x. Is it clear? Right. I am taking here. Right. So tan 30 value, that is we have 1 by root 3 is equals to 1500 root 3 by 1500 meters plus x. Take the cross multiplication. So 1500 meters plus x into 1 is equals to 1500 root 3 into root 3. This becomes 1500 meters plus x is equals to 1500 root 3 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. 1500 meters plus x is equals to 1500 into 3. So x is equals to 1500 into 3. that is 4500 minus transpose this 1500 meters RHS side, it becomes minus 1500 meters. What becomes the next step? Right. So subtract from 4500 minus 1500, we get x is equals to 3000 meters. Is it clear? X value is 3000 meters we got here. That is nothing but a distance between E and D. Okay. So the jet plane traveled 300 meters, isn't it? Right. Therefore, the jet plane traveled 3000 meters distance. Okay. In 15 seconds. In 15 seconds. What we have to find? We have to find the speed of the jet plane. Right. What is the formula for speed? In the earlier of the problem I have written on the board. Right. Speed is equals to distance by time. Okay. Speed of the jet plane here. Write down here. Speed of the jet plane. Right. Distance 3000 meters by 15 seconds. So 15 ones, 2's 200. What is that? 200 meter per second is the speed of the jet plane. Is it clear? Right. The jet plane is flying in the height of 1500 root 3 meters with a speed of 200 meter per second. Okay. Right. This is the required answer. So we can convert into kilometer per hour also. Right. No need to convert here. So write down 200 meter per second is the speed of the jet plane. I hope you understand the problem. Take the problem.